Hi everyone. Happy New Year. We now in the terrace in our home. I go to walking street, meet with our friend because so noisy here. Shaira will stay with family, and after I filming and meet with our friend, I come back and we continue celebrate with Shaira. Shaira, what you need to say?
Hi everyone, Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for our subscriber and happy holiday right now.
It's so noisy. Yeah, I will go now, and you can continue watch. I will show what happened in the walking street. Shaira, of course, don't want to go to walking street. She will stay with home, with family in home. Our home now, little bit decoration because Shaira family not finish Shaira house not repair. Yes. Okay, I will go. Wait me, okay? So noisy now. Everywhere in the Philippines so noisy. Okay, I will go. I celebrate already start. I'm already parked. Choking. Empty parking. Choking not working right now. Also not working Jollibee. So I will go to Philly Sports Bar. Georgi near Philly Sports Bar and also Christian. We can check where we can sit. So now already starting fire. MC Cafe closed. Kimchi restaurant open now. Zeus bar close. SS bar close, but Eclipse now open. Yeah, promo now. Soya bar close. Oh, girls alone. Don't have guests now. Very few tourists. Georgi before playing in this bar.
It's my life!
Thank you. Also this restaurant is closed. I don't know where Georgi. I say to Georgi here, meet with me. my life Philippines.
Very Georgie, very Georgie.
He now in billiard play.
Yeah.
And after
We are long time neighbor with Georgie. We stay together in 80 suites. Before
I
coming
know.
this shit.
I remember. I've been in your home before. You remember?
Yeah.
With Georgi, yes, yeah. You stay in this place.
Yeah.
But your place is better. Because Georgi already two times.
I buy now condo in Candy Tower in 3.
In Candy.
I don't know. I have some money, then I'm investor.
Yeah, it's better. Because it's
I
good
didn't-
place.
Because I have enough this. Then you have contract, you go, you know.
Yeah, it's better. If you have already own, it's better.
I want just, if you see Georgie, to say him hello.
Yeah.
Frank.
I know Frank, I know.
Yeah.
He will go maybe after 5 minutes because now he play in billiard live Resta bar.
This is billiard.
Yes.
Was a little bit tough too. That's just billiard. Okay, brother.
Okay, thank you. Happy New Year.
Yeah, okay.
Hi. Yes.
You remember me?
Yes, of course, I remember, yeah. Happy New Year. Hi. Happy New Year to... О, кафе, Франц кафе, close. Hammer, nightclub is open. Atlantis, closed now. Closed for holiday. Oh, Georgi. Hi, Georgi. Frank say hi to you. Frank say hi to you. Yeah, he said he bought in Candy Tower in this money. That's why he already not live in this place. Yeah, in Candy Tower. It's good. No. Christian maybe here. We can check.
Maybe here?
Yes. We can check. He inside. Christian inside sit. Hi, Christian.
How are you?
Good, Happy New Year. Are you finished here?
I just finished.
Just finished, okay. So we wait. Yeah. Okay, just we wait. What do you think?
Time already. See?
I know, already time.
We need to choose
We
place.
can check first in Kokomas. If in Kokomas available, we can sit in Kokomas.
And there.
If in Kokomas not available, we go to Philly Sports Bar, second floor. Yes, I just want to take a look. Many people or not. Masquerade bar open, second floor. People sit. It's good. No, in the Kokomas don't have free space.
Wow, vlogger!
So many people in Kokomas, maybe only inside. Or we can check first in Philly Sports Bar, it's okay? Philly Sports Bar. Many bars closed now. You bored, I think, this time. But freelancers don't have here. Also very few people. So it's not good time for visit Angeles City, you already know. We already celebrate maybe 7 or 8 years ago in the second floor. But before I celebrate already with Shira. But Shira now in home with family. I will come back so we can try. This clothes. Clothes for cleaning. Georgi, for cleaning. Need wait, you ask first. Achilles also. Close.
But now again.
No, it's okay, we can see it. Close already? Only first floor?
Yeah, first floor.
Okay. Okay, we can find. But don't have space also. Maybe Kokomas inside restaurant.
I never been in Kokomas.
Never been in Never been?
No, never seen.
Ah.
Here, lots of
I don't know. Maybe Kokomas have in Kokomas inside have restaurant.
Follow you.
Time now 11:26. 11:26. Usually we celebrate in Barangay. Every year celebrate in Barangay with Shira family. But now I want to go to meet with you and Georgi and later come back to Barangay. But Barangay so noisy.
Really?
So
That's
noisy.
more than here.
More noisy than here. More noisy.
It's all the day they make it.
Yes. Listen inside. Like this, so many motors, so many. Happy New Year. We can check. Where you can sit. No, available also here. Inside. Hey. You want inside or outside? You check first.
It's not cold.
It's not so cold, but you check. If we sit not near aircon, it's okay for you? Is it okay? This is close aircon, switch off. It's okay for you? It's okay? You choose where better. If okay, okay, Georgi. We can. New Year, before New Year.
Hot water, yes?
Fat.
Ay, I'm sorry.
We order, Georgi, what we order?
Pancit bihon.
Pancit bihon. Christian already eat pizza before. That's why he order only
Watermelon.
watermelon juice.
It's good.
Yeah, I take only juice, mango juice. What is Georgi? Lemon?
Calamansi.
Ah, calamansi. This your side because I don't want calamansi.
Yes?
Yeah,
Oh,
only this
wow,
side.
wow, wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
For me, not
this
need
side.
calamansi. Okay, okay, your side. And we celebrate only together. Outside, so many people. We already start. I will after 5 minutes. I will go outside and take video. Midnight already. 2025. Happy New Year.
New Year.
Happy New Year. I will take video outside. I will check fireworks.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Well, 12:40. We just finished. Oh, again, fireworks outside. Rainy little bit. Ага. Little bit rainy. Now many motorcycle without muffler. Chicken pipe name. They say chicken pipe. So noisy. Your brother. Shaira already messaged to me. Okay, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. See you soon.
Your gift.
We will see again before going.
No, we can chat and
If you are free in the next day, because before I was, you understand?
okay.
I was a little bit busy. You understand?
Okay.
No, totally free. I will chat you, okay? See you later.
See you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Empty walking street, empty.
Went to the roof. It was
Where?
the roof. Where was the Eurotel?
Ah, Eurotel.
Roof 360.
Oh, it's good.
Got to see Aqua Beach and everything else.
Oh, good. Because we try to sit in a Philly sports bar. So many people don't have free space, and we go to Kokomas inside. Sit in Kokomas only. Okay, bye. Little bit rain now in Mobalakat, same. And many cars and motors this time. I'm already in my place. I need to turn. Time now 1 a.m. Many people outside. Oh, Shaira with camera. You want to take picture?
Yes, and shot glass.
Really? Oh. Shaira want drink. So many shoes, it means so many people. Take a look. Oh, so many slippers. Right. Oh. Hi. Happy New Year. This is Shaira home. Flash Shaira like this. Flash.
nice day. Thank you for watching this. Please spread the like. Salamat.